Hello YouTube model railroaders. Today I'm going to be running the Lionel Lionmaster New York Central SD90 freight set. This particular ready to run set was released by Lionel this past Christmas 2009, and it's a very nice set. When this set came out, I really wanted to buy this, but what happened, just like typical Lionel and MTH, it seems like they release everything at one time and you just don't have the money to get everything. And this set was released right at the same time that they released the Norfolk Southern and the Pennsylvania Heritage Series diesels, the SD70 ACEs. So being I collect more of the scale stuff, I decided to go ahead and get that and pass on this. But so be it. I'm glad I waited here. Earlier this week I found this set at a real steal. Local hardware store is going out of business. And I bought this set brand new, still in the master shipping carton with the shrink wrap and everything on it. I got this set for $379.99, which is a steal. This set consists of a 4-foot by 6-foot oval of fast track. It actually comes with 48-inch radius track and a transformer. Although that's not the reason I wanted this set. The star of this set is the engine and the cars. The engine is a Lionmaster SD90. It's done in the famous New York Central lightning stripe paint scheme with the black, gray, and white. And it comes with 5 standard O-scale freight cars, which probably alone retail for $60 or $70 a piece. So to get this engine and the track transformer and all the cars for $379.99, probably one of the best bargains I ever got. Getting back to the engine, this is a semi-scale diesel, but what's nice about this comes with all the top-of-the-line features that you find on a Lionel scale diesel. It has the legacy operating system, the Odyssey 2 speed control, oscillating ditch lights, illuminated LED headlights front and rear, illuminated cab with the engineer and the brakeman figure, has the operating smoke, all kind of separately applied grab irons, metal chains on the front, has the electro couplers front and rear. One thing that I like that I'd like to see MTH incorporate on their diesels, I know MTH has these, but they don't do the same thing that Lionel does, are the operating running lights. There's 2 LEDs on the nose of the diesel and 2 LEDs on the tail of the diesel, and when the engine's going forward, they light up green, and the ones on the tail of the engine light up red. Now when you stop and change the direction of the engine, the LEDs on the nose of the engine turn from green to red, and the ones on the tail turn from red to green. So every time you make the switch they turn, which is a very nice feature. And this engine also has a great sounding horn, and the bell sounds great. And quality-wise, it's probably similar to the MTH Rail King Imperial line engines. There's one on the track I decided to put on the track. That's Rio Grande Heritage Series. That's an SD70 Imperial Rail King. So quality-wise and detail-wise, they're very similar. And as far as what else comes with this freight set, you get a New York Central 50-foot double-door pacemaker boxcar, and when you open the doors it actually has automobile frames inside. It comes with a 6-bay Great Northern cylindrical hopper. It comes with a 4-bay ACF center flow Alberta grain hopper, Burlington Northern center I-beam flat car with a wood load, and a great caboose. It comes with a New York Central center cupola lighted and a smoking caboose. So this set's just a knockout. I mean, I just can't believe I was lucky enough to find this, and it's just a great set. So let me go ahead and start this engine up for you, and I think you'll really like the quality and the sound of it. Like I said, it's just a great engine and set. So let me go ahead and start this.
NYC 9951, do you read me? 9951, copy that. Please start up and stand by for track orders. Alright, starting up the engine. Out. Switches are aligned. Clear into the yard. Over. Thank you much. Green signal. 9951 out. How's the track look? Am I clear? Over. New York Central, 9951. Switches are aligned. Clear into the yard. Over. 9951 here. How's the track look? Am I clear? Over. New York Central, 9951. Switches are aligned. Clear into the yard. Over. Thank you much. Green signal. 9951 out.
Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be posting a video soon, probably not till next weekend. I think the next video I'll be doing will be the MTH Amtrak Cascades F59 PHI diesel with the matching passenger cars. So thank you for watching again, and we'll catch you the next time. Goodbye.